Hi everyone, today we're going to draw a building with 2-point perspective. Make sure you have a full-size paper, pencil, rubber, ruler and sharpener. In our last video we drew this street scene using 1-point perspective, but today we're doing 2-point perspective, so how many vanishing points will we have? That's right, 2-point perspective equals 2 vanishing points. So we start just as we did before, fold our paper, leave a little gap and unfold it for the horizon line. We're not going to put our vanishing point in the middle, we're going to put it here and here. It might help you to label the vanishing points, VP and VP. We start off by drawing a line through the middle of your page. Next we need to match up the vanishing points to the top and bottom of the line. Try to use a faint line for this because you'll need to rub out part of it later on. Next we need to create this side of the building by drawing a vertical line and then rub out part of the lines that you don't need anymore. And then do the same on the other side, match the top of the line up to the VP and the bottom of the line up to the VP. Now we need to show this side of the building like this side of the building. So we need to draw a vertical line, but a way to make sure that's perfectly straight is by matching the top of your ruler to the top of the paper and then making sure that it is not on an angle. Then draw a vertical line down and rub out the lines you don't need anymore. And there's the structure of your building complete. Next we're going to add the windows to the different sides of the building. We're going to start by drawing a vertical line faintly on the one side of the building. Then we'll do another vertical line, making sure it's straight on the other side of the building. The bottom and the top of the windows always has to match up to the vanishing point, so use your ruler to match it up. Next we're going to draw the top and the bottom of some other windows in this building. We need to make sure that we keep matching our line up to the vanishing point. Then you can rub out some of those vertical lines between the windows. I'm going to add some more vertical lines into these windows to make them smaller. And now to draw more windows like this onto the other side. Match up that ruler to make sure it's straight and draw some vertical lines on the other side of the building. Then add your horizontal lines, making sure that you match them up to the VP. Then draw in some vertical lines, making sure they're straight in the middle of the windows. And the top and bottom of the windows matching your points to the VP. Rub out those extra lines again. And rub out the VPs. And then you've got one complete building. Now let's add on some tones. And a shadow on this side of the building on the ground. A top tip when you're adding tone is to use a ruler to make a straight edge. and then use a piece of tissue to blend out that tone. Now to show the other side, but lighter. And then the background as well. There's your 2-point perspective drawing complete. You could also change the place of the building nearer to one of the vanishing points and see what that does to change the shape. Another completed 2-point perspective building. You could also try moving the horizon line down lower. There are so many possibilities for these drawings. We can't wait to see yours. Now it's your turn to draw buildings using 2-point perspective.